Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download Windows 10 ISO file on your device. So then to download an iOS file on Windows 10, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now, to begin with, open up a web browser and then on the web address bar, type in Windows 10 iOS download. After that, you'll be able to see multiple links right over here. So you'll need to go ahead and click on the first link that says download Windows 10 disk image. Just tap on it. After that, it's going to take you to the official web page. Here, scroll down a bit and go to create Windows 10 installation media and click on download now, which will be located right at the bottom. And this process may take a while, so you'll need to wait patiently. As you can see that the file has been already downloaded. Now locate the folder or the file location and open up the file. Double click on it. It's gonna ask you to run the applications. Click on it. I'll go ahead and tap on all of these terms and conditions. So once again, it's gonna take a while. And it's gonna ask you whether you want to upgrade this PC now or create installation media. For now, you'll need to select create installation media and tap the next button. After that, you'll be asked to select the language, edition, and your architect. So you need to go ahead and select the architect. So just tap on it and you need to go ahead and select it all. Click on the next button. After that, it's going to ask you whether it's a USB flash drive or ISO file. Since our case is ISO file, select ISO file and click on the next tab. So you need to basically save the file, so select the location and then tap on the save button. Now the installation program has begun. So then to install the application, it's going to take a while. So after you're done installing the application, you'll be able to see download button. So basically what's going to happen is that you'll be asked to select the location. So you need to go ahead and tap on Windows and then select the location. After that, you've successfully downloaded or installed your Windows 10 ISO file. So in this way, you can download and install Windows 10 ISO file. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.